Today, we are going to learn about another equation of a straight line. So you're familiar with slope-intercept form, which requires you to know the y-intercept. But for point-slope form, you don't need to know it. You just need to know any point along the line and the slope. So here is the equation of the line. And m represents the slope, and then x sub 1 and y sub 2, those are coordinates of a point along the line. All right, so example 1, the line passes through the point 2, 7 and has a slope of negative 1/3. So we're going to start our equation with y minus, then we're going to replace this other y here with the y coordinate, which is 7, equals, then m is the slope, which in this case is negative 1/3. Then in parentheses, x minus, and then this x right here is 2. And there you have it. All right, let's try another one. All right, for this one, our point is 0, negative 3, and a slope of 6. So let's start with y minus. All right, our y value is negative 3. Oh, yuck. We don't want to have a double negative. We can change subtraction to addition and add the opposite, okay? But we also don't want two pluses here. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm just going to change it to y plus 3. Because that is the simpler version to write it. All right, so you are allowed to change this minus here to a plus if the y value is a negative, because two negatives make a positive. All right, our slope is 6. And then in parentheses, x minus 0. And you don't need to simplify your equation, so you wouldn't want to keep this as just an x. Keep the 0 there so that we for sure know that 0 is the x coordinate. All right, let's try one that has a picture of a graph. All right, so for this one, you're going to have to figure out a point along the line. I'm going to use this one. So those coordinates are 2, 2, and the slope, I'm going to start at the point on the left and go to the one on the right. So I'm going to go down 1 over 2. So you always have to go up or down first before you go over to the right. So the slope is negative 1/2. Back on track. I was just interrupted by Miss Rankin. All righty. So for this one here, nope, that's the one I just did. Okay, distracted. That, click that, there we go. Okay, so for this one here, I'm going to use this point right here. All right, so the coordinates of that point are 2, negative 2. And then our slope, I have to start at the point on the left, and we go up or down first. So I'm going to go up 1 over 2. So the slope is 1/2. So the equation is y minus negative 1/2, but I can't have that double negative, so I'm going to turn it into a positive. So y plus 2 equals, then the slope is 1/2, and then in parentheses, x minus 2. And I didn't have any examples today of where the x is negative, but it would be the same type of thing. If this was a negative 2 here, then this one would become a positive.